Okay, so here we go. I'll give you guys a couple minutes. Fill in your table. It's still going to be the same thing. Make sure you know what mode you're in. Radians, degrees, make sure you know what mode you're in. And 5 minus 5 sine, plug in your angle. Okay, plug in your angle. Okay, so I'll give you guys a couple minutes to fill in your chart. If you'd rather wait to plot it along with us, sure, go ahead. Or if you want to try it on your own before, that's fine, but I'll have one person come up, and then they'll write their R value in, their point in, and then graph it. Hopefully I made this big enough so you can see when you come up and graph it. And we'll see, yes. Okay. We'll go, I have, we can still keep the nearest 10th, that's fine. Yeah, I have 0.67 like for pi over 3. I just gave that one away, so whoever does that, you're welcome. Okay, but for anything else, you can just round to the nearest 10th if it's got a whole number in front of it. All right. Again, make sure you know what mode you're in. And watch the cute designs that come up today. That'll be the last time I use that word. And right by the, as soon as we're done with the first graph, you'll be able to, I'm sure the greatness is out on the internet somewhere later. Okay, for 0, what's my R value? And let's plot it. And let's see how he does. Yep, so what's your coordinate? Oh. Whoa, whoa. Whoa. Take your calculator there, boss. What? We got an eraser right below there. Let's change that up. Yep. There we go. So it's going to be 5, 0. Now redeem yourself, plot it correctly. All right, here we go. Hand it off. Let's do it. Next up, pi over 6. And Matt, when you're done, make sure you connect it with Carter's point. All right. $2.5, pi over 6. Good. Now let's graph it. Pi over 6, go out to 2.5. Nice job. Next up, hand it off to somebody new every time, everyone. Somebody new.
I can help you. I can help you. So all you do.
Pi over 3. What do we got for the R value? Pi over 3. Okay, 0.7. Some of you might have had 0.67. Fine. We're going to get it in the area. Okay, this point should be very close to the pole, aka the center. Nice job. Here we go. Let's keep this going. It's all absences, it says. No field trips. AP test today. People in here take AP? The people who are absent? People who are absent? Yeah, I said that live on the internet. Okay, hey, keep checking. 0, pi over 2. We're going strong. Yep, 0.7 or 0.67 back again for 2 pi over 3. I know, yep. And now we're after this point, though, we're going to start getting away from it. So next up. Next up. Let's go. Just everyone's going to have to go up there eventually. $2.5. We got it. Keep checking. Okay, so we should get away now from the pole. 2.5. 1, 2. Hold on. That 2.5? 1, 2, 3. Well, you see here, 2.5, right? You want to, I know it's tough up. 1, 2.5. There you go. We'll get it. We'll get it. Good. Here we go. Next up, Jack Pi. This one's an easy one, Jack. Come on. Easy to plot on the graph. Good thing about this one, there were no negative R values, so I didn't have to go on the other side of any of the angles. Yeah, all right. We're getting there sooner or later. Looked like an earthquake just happened, but okay. Here you go, Austin. Now we're getting deeper away from the pole. What's that? This next one is. What's he doing? Hold on, 7 pi. We got right. You're getting. Yeah, you're doing the next one for us. Overachiever. 7 pi over 6. Yep, going out to 7.5. Yeah, there we go. Next up. Have you been graphing these, Matt? Who's been going along here? Need somebody new. Let's go. Somebody new up. Just step up. We got this one's the easiest one probably, other than Carter's, but we won't talk about that, how that ended up. There you go, Shannon. Yep. 3 pi over 2, 10. Yep, all the way down at the bottom. One more. Who's got it? One more. Come on, finish this strong. 5 pi over 3. No, I'm not a big fan of this one. And since this is our last point mark, make sure you connect it to the beginning when you're done. Oh, that's a beaut, guys. That's a beaut, everyone. That's a beaut. That's a beaut. That's a beaut. Hit it wrong, too. Let's see, can I do it? I don't think so, but no.
Yeah, the heart. It's a heart group. A million times. Say the Grinch.
Nope, not gonna happen. Can't fill it in. There we go. Great. Yep. All right, there you go. That's about it. That's about as much as it's getting. All right. Yep. There you go. Little ice just melted off. Yep. It's there somewhere. All right. Last one together. Last one. A little different design now on this one. A little different. Here we go. I'll finish it. I won't start it. I'll finish it. How about that? One to the left. That's why we call him the troop. Yep. All right, 5-0. Where are we? I don't say a word. There you go, 5-0. Yeah. All right, let's sit it down. Oh my God. Need somebody new. Need somebody new. Then we'll start repeating. Need somebody new. Then we'll get some repeaters.
Give it to the other two. Oh my God. The sequel. The plot twist. Oh, Lord.
Don't call me that. Do not call me that. Shut up. I don't look like Miss Flynn.
You're right.
Nice job, Hannah. 4.5. Let's keep this show going. Next up. Just get it over with. Guys that haven't been up, just get it over with.
All right, here we go. Okay.
Oh, boy.
I don't look like. Thank you. Fine. No, I don't want to.
Yeah, all right, here we go. Speaking of lookalikes, anybody familiar with the Muppets?
He doesn't look like me.
I'm thinking that all year long. Beep, 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 beep. Yeah. Yeah. All year long, I've been thinking that. I'll just say it now. Yeah.
There you go.
Oh.
Oh, there he is.
Good looking guy. Good looking guy.
We need the spiked hair, though. Okay, we're good so far here. Need somebody else? One more? Okay, everyone, in all seriousness, let's pay attention to this point right here, because this is the first time we're going to get a negative R value. I hope. Okay, we got -1. Good, Owen. -1. Okay, I'm just gonna, you stay right up there with me here, because I know some people, and this is an exact problem I have, because it's -1. So we go to 2 pi over 3, but I'm not going to graph it on here. I'm going to go graph it on the other side of it. And some people have trouble, including myself. Where is that other line here? All right, so a way to get around that I figured out. Everyone see how it's 2 away from pi over 2? So go 2 away in the other direction here, if you can't figure out where that straight line is. And now some of you are like, how can you not do that? Well, I can't, so deal with it. All right, so I have to go, all right, 2 units this way. Let's go 2 units this way. So I'm actually going to graph at 5 pi over 3, 1. Oh, one job.
Whoa. Making him start over. Oh my
It's
god.
just not registering, I swear.
Where's -1 up here?
Oh,
Oh,
my bad.
one job. Now at least connect it. Come on. Okay. Is everyone gone? Jess? Another negative number.
I'm nervous. When you said the ghost show? I meant to say the gun show, but then I got nervous. I want to get cheap like you. I want to be able to run more than half a mile. Actually, in college, I actually got to do stuff because I was not. Think about this. Think about this. In college, think about that. I'm already dense. Can't get any more dense. You're so dense. Yeah, you put grapes. Grapes, red powder, boys, and a little animal crackers. Real animal crackers.
Thank you. Okay, just to end this pain right now that I'm listening to, you guys are doing a fine job. -3. So we're going out this way. 1, 2, 3. -2.5. Okay, 7 pi over 6. That's 2 from here. So I'm going to go 2 from here. And that's -2.5. So 1, 2.5. Oh, we're coming in. And then this is 1. And that is not a negative number. So I should graph it right where it should be, which is right here. Whoa, buddy. There it is. And then let's finish this off with a 3 here. 5 pi over 3 is going to be 3. So 1, 2, 3. There it is. There's that finisher right there. I don't know the exact term. I may be making this up. Maybe a limaçon. Just throwing that out.
You just confused who.
Limaçon, Hannah. Limaçon. What do you got for me? Good. Maybe CON instead of SON. I don't know. Limaçon. Polar graph. Polar graph. Limaçon.